What we have is a total of 3 tanks, stainless steel. All 3 tanks are exactly the same, used for furniture stripping, repairing, refinishing, and mirror resilvering. These 2 tanks have nothing but the heating element on there. We did put water in at roughly 50 degrees, waited about 45 minutes, and it already escalated to around 60 degrees, so the heating elements do work. The 3rd tank has the recirculation and the pump, and we can show that the pump does, in fact, recirculation pump does work. It's on a rheostat. Okay, and it comes with a 3/4 horsepower electric motor, and it's a power washer there that's used to wash your furniture off once it's done stripping.